On June 27, 2025, deputies in Marion County, Florida spotted a silver Kia with illegally tinted windows and an obscured license plate. The driver, 24-year-old Jordan Skeen, immediately becomes hostile, ramming the patrol car twice before initiating a reckless pursuit.
My patrol car, start me a car. Fairway Circle and Silver Pass. I got someone ramming my patrol car. He just went through a fence. He's headed out this.
With no regard for public safety, Skeen tears through fences and traffic. What deputies don't know yet is that he has a 1-year-old passenger. Recognizing the extreme danger Skeen poses, deputies make the call to end the pursuit with a pit maneuver. The vehicle is stopped, but Skeen isn't giving up. He flees on foot into the nearby woods.
Get on the ground or I want to chase you! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Mike, Mel. Taser.
After a brief foot chase, he is quickly apprehended. But as deputies secure the scene, they make a horrifying discovery.
Get down! What the fuck? Is that baby okay? Was that in the car? Oh my God. That's your niece?
A 1-year-old child was in the back seat during the entire violent ordeal. She was miraculously unharmed and safely reunited with her mother.
What's that look like? Oh yeah, there's a magazine sticking out. Oh yeah.
A search of the vehicle revealed why Skeen was so desperate to escape: a loaded handgun and marijuana packaged for distribution. Jordan Skeen, who was already on probation for fleeing and eluding, now faces a host of new felony charges, including child neglect and aggravated assault on a law enforcement officer. A terrifying incident brought to a safe conclusion by the decisive actions of the Marion County Sheriff's Office. The day begins with a call to the PV Quick Stop in Macon, Illinois. The report: a man is waving a machete at patrons.
Now, he just stole a squad car. He just stole a squad.
As deputies attempt to de-escalate, the suspect, 38-year-old Oscar McCurry, makes a run for an empty squad car, and a routine call turns into chaos. A Decatur Park police officer in a patrol truck immediately gives chase. McCurry, now behind the wheel of a police vehicle, drives recklessly.
He pointed the shotgun out.
The situation turns critical. Dispatch confirms the stolen squad car contained a shotgun, and McCurry now has it.
I got out to the driver's side when he went past me. Ah! Damn!
The pursuing officer is forced off-road. Moments later, McCurry rams another sheriff's unit, ending the pursuit. But the fight is far from over. McCurry exits the wrecked vehicle, armed with a shotgun. Deputies, seeing the imminent, deadly threat, are forced to engage. Multiple officers fire their weapons. The suspect is hit and falls to the ground.
He's unarmed!
No, he still got knives.
Incredibly, McCurry gets back up. For the next 20 minutes, a tense standoff unfolds on the open road. He's wounded, armed, and screaming for officers to end his life.
On the ground! Get down! Get on the ground! Get down on the ground!
Showing immense restraint, the officers hold their fire. They create distance, issue commands, and wait for a safe opportunity to move in, refusing to be baited into another shooting.
Right now! On the ground! No, still got knives! On the ground! Get down on the ground!
Eventually, Oscar McCurry was safely taken into custody and transported to the hospital for his injuries. One officer was also injured in the collision, but was released the same day. The Macon County State's Attorney's Office later reviewed the incident and cleared all officers involved, finding their actions justified in the face of a complex and life-threatening situation.
Memory drive over the river. There was shooting involved, so can you start the fire department?
Hi, I'm at the Acuna Motel right here on Brookers and Crescent. Somebody just got shot in the parking lot.
Do you know how many?
Please hurry up.
Is the shooter still there?
People are trying. Yeah, they're still here. Yes. And the guys in the parking lot. I say, please hurry up.
Is the person down?
Yeah, no, he's standing up, but he's holding his stomach.
The night begins with a frantic 911 call. A man has been shot in a motel parking lot. The suspect is still on scene.
Who was it?
Anaheim police officers arrive within 1 minute. They find the victim bleeding, who confirms the suspect has fled in a white truck.
Shot you.
I don't know who's on.
Okay, sit down. Where'd they go?
Exiting State College from the West 91.
Exiting State College from the 91.
A description is broadcasted, and officers quickly locate the suspect vehicle. Behind the wheel is 51-year-old Danny Lee Quello, a man with a lengthy criminal history. A dangerous 45-minute pursuit begins.
He tried to spike him, but it didn't work, and now it's northbound State College from the freeway.
Quello drives recklessly, swerving through traffic and even heading into oncoming lanes. An attempt to spike his tires fails.
Wrong way.
During the chase, his rear tire disintegrates, but he refuses to stop, driving on just the metal rim, showering the road with sparks.
Sorry, he came off the vehicle.
Driving into us when we go for the pit. Like he's trying to actively hit the units.
Just actively trying to hit the units.
There's a pit on the back where you drive over the riverbed. The car isn't quite immobilized yet.
Officers report Quello is now actively trying to ram their units. They have no choice but to end the pursuit. On a bridge over the riverbed, they execute a successful pit maneuver, bringing the truck to a halt.
Hit on the vehicle in the area, so you drive.
Paramedics pronounced Danny Quello deceased at the scene. The initial shooting victim from the motel survived and was listed in stable condition. A subsequent search of the truck revealed a handgun matching the weapon used in the first shooting. It was later revealed Quello had an extensive criminal past. While it remains unclear what he was holding at the moment of the shooting, his actions throughout the 45-minute ordeal left officers with few options. The investigation into the use of force is now being handled by the Orange County District Attorney's Office. At 3:45 a.m., a Lubbock police officer responding to a domestic disturbance spots a reckless driver. He quickly realizes it's the very suspect he's looking for, who has allegedly just stolen the vehicle he's driving. The suspect, 21-year-old Colton Neil Hensley, refuses to pull over. He initiates a dangerous pursuit that will span across Lubbock County and last for nearly an hour. Realizing Hensley won't give up, officers from the Lubbock County Sheriff's Office and DPS troopers join the chase. With the suspect exiting the highway, they see their chance to end it. The spike strips hit their mark. But even with shredded tires, Hensley desperately tries to keep going, the vehicle becoming increasingly unstable. The chase is over. Surrounded by multiple units, Hensley has nowhere left to run.
Left hand, lift up your shirt. Left hand, lift your shirt. Left hand, lift up your shirt. Turn around. Stop. Drop.
Officers move in and take the suspect into custody, bringing the hour-long rampage to a definitive end. Colton Neil Hensley was arrested and booked into the Lubbock County Detention Facility. He was found to have multiple outstanding warrants and now faces a host of new charges for his reckless flight from justice. On the evening of May 8th, 2025, Chicago police officers locate a vehicle belonging to 50-year-old Joseph Navarro. He is wanted for a recent aggravated battery. Officers attempt to take him into custody, but Navarro refuses to comply with their commands.
Open the car. Keep your hands up. Get out of the car.
The situation quickly escalates. Refusing to surrender, Navarro locks his doors, forcing the officers to breach the vehicle.
Get out of the car.
He rams a squad car and flees, initiating a high-speed chase that crosses state lines into Hammond, Indiana. The pursuit comes to a violent end at the intersection of Dearborn and Gosselin Street.
433, you just 10-4. Let me see your fucking head! Let me see your head!
But the fight isn't over. As officers approach the wreckage, they are met with gunfire. Navarro opens fire from his overturned vehicle. The officer takes cover and returns fire, defending his and his partner's lives.
33, 10-1, 10-1, shots fired! Let me see your hands! Let me see.
433, 433, Silver, 433 shots fired, Brainerd in,
He's still shooting, still up!
After an intense exchange of fire, the suspect is hit. Officers cautiously form a perimeter and approach.
southeast corner of Dobson and Dearborn.
Still has the gun in front of him!
Justin?
433.
Oh, yeah, in Gosling.
Chicago police, don't fucking move! You hear me? Do not fucking move! Watch flag, Chicago!
The threat is neutralized. Officers immediately secure the suspect and begin to render life-saving aid until paramedics arrive. Joseph Navarro was transported to St. Catherine Hospital, where he was pronounced deceased. The two officers involved were taken to a hospital for observation and reported to be in good condition. A handgun was recovered from Navarro at the scene.